After years of research, piloting, and development, The Good and the Beautiful is excited to announce a new product, Simply Spelling. This program is completed online and has optional physical workbooks that can be used to support learning. Thousands of hours were put into the creation of this course by a large team of experts, educators, writers, designers, illustrators, and software engineers, yet we are bringing this product to you completely free. Like all good and beautiful products, this course is filled with beauty and goodness. With nature-focused games and activities, Simply Spelling exposes children to high-quality learning that helps them not only gain strong academic skills, but also develop a taste for beautiful art and gentle learning. This comprehensive online spelling course is customized to each child, so no time is wasted on words and principles they already know. Instead, they can focus on the words and principles they need to work on most. The program is geared toward children in grades 4 through 8 and can be completed alone or as a part of our language arts courses. Simply Spelling guides children through learning carefully curated lists of spelling words, teaches homophones and commonly confused words, and teaches spelling rules and principles. If children know the principles or words the first time, they don't practice the content again. When they need help with principles or words, they will not only master those concepts before moving on, but they will also review them at various points throughout upcoming levels. We believe in minimal screen time for children, so we are very selective about the online learning we create. Spelling is difficult to do in a self-directed way without any outside help. Having this program online not only allows for extremely effective learning in a shorter time, but it also frees up time for the parent so that one-on-one time can be spent on more meaningful things than quizzing children on spelling. That precious time can be spent reading together, exploring nature, or having worthwhile discussions. Simply Spelling contains 26 levels labeled A through Z. Children can take an assessment to know where in the course to start or simply begin on level A. Each level takes at least 8 sessions to master. However, each child's experience will be different because the course adapts according to their progress and mastery, providing as much time as needed for the child to master the concepts. The child can see their progress on each level as they go. Each session takes 5 to 10 minutes to complete and is broken down into 4 sections: words, homophones and commonly confused words, rules, and principles. In the words section, children memorize the most commonly used words in the English language, which make up the vast majority of the words they will use in real life. In each level, this section contains 32 new words, and the child works on 4 of those spelling words in each session. Next, the children practice homophones and commonly confused words. There are 5 word pairs in every level. In the rules section, the children learn the most consistent and helpful spelling rules. 4 spelling rules are practiced in each level. When the child starts the rules section, they first watch a brief video that explains the rule. Then they practice these rules with activities and games. The last section is principles. In each level, children learn 4 spelling principles. There are several different exercises in this section. For example, segmenting words into individual sounds, a skill that greatly helps children's spelling success. When students spell words correctly on the first try, those words are considered mastered. If they miss words, they will see them in future sessions until they are mastered. As mentioned already, this system allows your student to focus on the areas where they need more practice while not wasting time on skills they already know. Our Simply Spelling practice books are an optional but recommended resource. After each Simply Good and Beautiful spelling session, students can use these books independently to practice any words and spelling rules they missed. Practice books can be used with any level, though the levels have recommended themes and students will need their own consumable book for each level. With fun themes and activities, these books provide students with engaging ways to practice and review spelling words and rules using different learning methods. These activities require the child to write out words that they need the most help with, segment them, and practice them in a variety of ways. We are so excited to bring this free, new, powerful spelling program to your family. We believe there is nothing like it in the world. Our mission is to make homeschooling not only beautiful and powerfully effective, but also easy and fun, making it more feasible and joyful for families to experience the life-changing blessings that homeschooling can bring. Check out this new program in the links below, along with our free award-winning language arts courses.